up again? If you want to just pause the video so you can read what is this? Because I can't do anything right now because I'm gonna start a movie called Jurassic World, The Fallen Kingdom, or Jurassic Park, The Fallen Kingdom, I don't know. Okay, taking this out right now. Here, this is what it looks like. Now let's take it out. This thing is for my father because this one shows the Samsung iPhone kind of a charger, and there's like a kind of thing to help keep the cables connected so that also they will not so that he can remember how to put it together. And it's called a 3A QC Type C cable. Okay, and this is very long actually. It's like a snake, and it's only 1 meter, which is 100 cm. And this thing is only meant to adjust how big is supposed to wrap this up. Okay, bye bye.